Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Samsung notification not showing. Go to settings, tap on the option notifications, tap on app notifications. Okay, so first of all you need to verify the application is allowed to send notifications. If you are not getting any notifications from Gmail, first of all you need to check whether this is enabled or disabled. If this is disabled, you will not get any notifications from your Gmail. So first of all you need to turn on this one, and better to restart your phone. Missing notifications are often caused by disabled app permissions. So first of all, checking notification settings usually resolve the issues quickly. So simply in this way we can fix the Samsung notifications not showing. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.